You're going to soften a 1/2-inch bubble, followed by a 1.5-inch bubble. And you're going to take the knot and twist it around the bottom of the 1.5-inch bubble. And there you have your parrot's head. Take your other side of the balloon and about 5 or 6 inches down, you're going to twist it around the head. Soften this one, and I want you to take it about 1 inch, pinch on all sides, and twist. You sit this part up into the ring. And there you have a parrot. You pinch it off at about leg size, but on this one I'm going to make it a little bit larger. You twist it as much as you can to make it stay. And then this will be small enough to fit on the child's wrist so that they can have a parrot that follows them around on the wrist. Some kids put it up on their shoulder. You just have to change the size of the ring. And here's your parrot again.